Welcome to Get Glimpse channel. The meme AI platform has evolved significantly, particularly with the introduction of meme 2.0, moving beyond a simple note-taking tool to a comprehensive AI thought partner and workspace. The updates focus heavily on making the tool more autonomous, leveraging AI to handle organization and information retrieval, allowing the user to simply focus on capturing information. Here's a summary of the key updates and features for smarter notes, tasks, and the overall AI workspace in the latest versions of MEM. Let's get to the key MEM AI updates, that is smarter notes and AI workspace. The core philosophy of MEM is a folderless system where AI automatically handles the hard work of organization. The latest features are designed to enhance this automated process. Let's start with enhanced AI thought partner capabilities. We have this first feature, which is MemChat, that is personal AI assistant. This is the user's primary conversational interface. You can now prompt it using natural language to perform complex actions based on your stored knowledge. An example is this: summarize the action items from last week's marketing meeting and draft an email to the team with those bullet points. We also have the second feature, which is Smart Write and Edit. The AI writing tool is now highly contextual. It can draw directly from your existing notes and knowledge base to generate new content, ensuring consistency and accuracy with your own past research or writing style. We also have proactive or serendipity or similar memes feature. As you are actively typing a new note, the AI runs in the background to automatically surface and suggest related memes, that is notes, that you didn't manually link. We also have final feature here, which is semantic search. The search goes beyond simple keyword matching. You can search using meaning and intent. Let's get now to streamlining tasks and workflows. While MEM is primarily a knowledge manager, it has integrated task functionality to unify your workspace. We have in here task management integration. You can create task lists and checklists directly within any MEM using Markdown syntax. We also have automated task extraction. The AI can analyze long meeting transcripts or brainstorm notes and automatically identify, extract, and list action items and deadlines, saving you the manual step of review. We also have simple project management. Now let's get to thirdly, workflow and capture improvements. The goal is to capture information instantly, regardless of the format or device. In here we have voice mode, that is brain dump, allows you to quickly record voice notes or structured meeting notes. The AI automatically transcribes and can structure the content, moving beyond raw transcription to usable knowledge. We also have web clipper. The Chrome extension has been enhanced to not just save the raw web page, but also add AI-driven organization. Another one is SMS or email capture. The ability to send a quick text message or email to your unique meme address remains a core feature for capturing fleeting ideas on the go. We also have a newer interface. Meme 2.0 introduced a simplified, cleaner, and highly minimalist interface, prioritizing speed and reducing cognitive clutter. Now let's get to how to use the new features for smarter notes finally. First, stop organizing manually. Embrace the folderless system. Just type your notes, tag them lightly, e.g. #project name, and let the AI handle the linking and retrieval. Also, use MemChat to review. Don't reread old notes. Another final tip is validate new ideas. When drafting a new plan, check the similar memes panel that appears on the right. And that's it. Thank you for watching. If this video is helpful, then please leave a like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this.